First open a browser and type here Android Studio download. Click on download Android Studio. This is official website for Android Studio. Click on this button, download Android Studio. Click here and this is our download Android Studio terms and condition page, and scroll this page and check here. I have read and agree with above terms and conditions. Now download button appear here. So click on this download button and our download started here. Wait until download finish. Now click on the folder, show in folder. Now double click on setup and click on next button. And keep the both selected. Click on next and click on next and click on install button. Now wait until installation complete. Now click on next button. Now click on finish. Keep the start Android Studio. Now click on next. Keep the standard mode. Click on next and click on next button and click on accept button and finish. Now wait for finish the download component and click on finish button. And now our Android Studio launched. So create first project, click on new project and select the project type. Select empty views activity, click on next and give the project name here, package name, and select language. And click on finish button. Now our project building and our Android Studio installed. Now check our emulator working or not. So our emulator working. So thank you for watching this video.